Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ritik and you are watching DU Commerce. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about the DU M.Com entrance exam 2022. I will be covering several topics in this video like eligibility criteria, the syllabus, exam pattern, top colleges, and then I will discuss about seats availability of DU. So before starting this video, I'm going to give you an information regarding our DC Providers program, which is related to DU M.Com preparation 2022. If you are interested in it, so link is in description. Go and check it out. It's on Telegram. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. So now I am going to tell you about the eligibility criteria. So a person can take admission into DU M.Com through an entrance based or merit based. Merit based admissions are only for DU students. The students who have completed their BCom and BCom honors from Delhi University are eligible for merit based admissions in this program, DU M.Com program, right? And then second category is entrance based admissions. Entrance based admission can be given by anyone who have completed BCom honors, BA Eco honors, BCom program, BBA, BMS, BBE from any of the university in India, recognized university. And now I am going to tell you about the percentage required percentage. If you have done BCom honors and BA Eco honors, and if you're general, then the minimum required percentage is 50%, and for other categories is 45%. And if you have done BCom program, then if you belong to general category, then the minimum percentage required is 55%, and for other category it is 50%, like 50% for OBC, SC and ST. And if you have done BBA, BMS, BBE, then the required percentage for general category is 60%, and for other category is 75% and 55% and 54%. So this is about the eligibility criteria for DU M.Com entrance exam. Now I'm going to tell you about its exam pattern. This exam consists of 100 questions of 4 marks each, which means that total marks is equals to 400 marks. And there is a negative marking for every wrong answer, and there is nothing, there is no negative marking for non-attempted question. And the time duration for the exam is 2 hours. It is a computer based test, which means CBT. You will get a center, you have to go to the center, you have to attempt your exam on the computer. Now let's discuss its syllabus. It consists of 5 units. First unit is of accounting and auditing, which consists of financial accounting, cost accounting, corporate accounting, management accounting and auditing. Alright, the second unit is of BMS, which consists of business mathematics, business statistics, income tax plus GST. The third unit is of economics, which includes microeconomics, macroeconomics, Indian economic development. Alright, and you can also study the economic survey. Then the fourth unit is law unit, in which you have to cover BOM, business organization and management, then business law, company law, corporate governance and entrepreneurship. Alright, this is the unit 4. Then comes the new unit, the unit 5, which includes financial management, HRM, human resource management, marketing management and international business. So this was the syllabus. It consists of 5 units and every unit have the equal weightage. Alright, now let's talk about seats. So approximately 250 seats are there for entrance and merit based. It can be 270 or 260 or 260 and 270. Alright, depending upon the admission criteria. So it's almost 260, 270. 260 entrance based and 270 merit based. And you can check the college wise seats availability on the site of Delhi School of Economics under Department of Commerce. Alright, now let's talk about the top colleges. When you will fill the form, you have to fill your preferences. So now I am going to give you the ideal preferences that you can choose. Otherwise it's up to you. You can choose whatever you want as per your preferences. Alright, so the first college comes is the Department of Commerce under Delhi School of Economics. Second is SRCC, then Hindu, then Hansraj, then Ramjas College, then comes Shahid Bhagat Singh College, then SGTB Khalsa College, then Shri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce, then Shri Guru Nanak Dev Khalsa College, then comes Zakir Hussain College, then Motilal College, then JDMC is Janki Devi Memorial College for girls only. Then comes Deshbandhu College, then ARSD, then Rajdhani, and then last is PGDAV. This is my order of preferences. You can make your own order of preferences. Alright, so guys, this is all about DU MCOM entrance 2022. If you want to join our program, so you can join the Telegram channel and can get every information there about the DC Providers program. We are starting from 6th of November, or we can also increase the date. Alright, the date is tentative now. So let me tell you more about this program. We will be providing you notes, the practice sets, quizzes on Telegram. We will provide you sample question papers made by us, and we will also provide you past year question papers. So it's up to you. If you want to take this program, then join the Telegram and can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. You can contact me in this regard. I will respond you as soon as possible. So if you are facing any doubt, so please comment down below. I will answer it quickly. And I have made this video in English language because our subscribers are from different areas, and they told me about that they were facing problem in understanding the Hindi language. So that's why I'm making it in English. So hope you have understood now. And if you are facing any problem, please comment down below. I will answer it quickly. So let's meet in next video. This is Ritik and you are watching DU Commerce. Keep sporting.